How to find someone Instagram account by photo. Finding someone Instagram account using a photo is not a straightforward process, but there are a few methods that you can try. Here's the process how you can go about it. One of the easiest way to find someone's Instagram account using a photo is by using the Google Lens or Google Images. Just go for your lens. Once you are on your Google Lens, go for your gallery and tap on the photo like this. And they are looking for the result. This. After that, you have to scroll down and you can find the Sehna's Gill here. And also you can find the Goose Shepherd Dog and others. Just go for the ads option. After that, here you have to just go for the Instagram account. And here you can see that you will successfully find the Instagram account. Just go and tap on the Instagram account. And you can easily follow and interact with them like this. So this way you can easily find someone on their Instagram account by photos with the help of this process. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.